So as you can see behind me, we've got our fellow alumni, Sophie, who's delivering some content in terms of the practical side of teaching. We'll come back today to kind of share a bit of our knowledge that we've gained externally to the students that are now in the same position that we were a few years ago.
So when we was on our undergraduate course and our postgraduate course, we felt like we had a really good advantage with having external speakers come in, especially when they've been in our position that we were in, because then they know it shows us where exactly we can be, and it kind of gives us that little bit of motivation as well.
In the netball session, it was really good and insightful because she showed us how you can include the students that are sitting on the sideline and not just them stood there. They can do umpiring, they can do a worksheet, and it's still just reinforcing that learning.
Learning off Georgia, whose dance is one of her specialisms, definitely will help that take me forward and do that help when I go into interviews saying I'm okay doing dance, I'm happy doing dance, I want to do dance, because I don't want to just be a teacher that does football and the basic sports. I want to do a variety of sports to include everyone. Yeah, it's brilliant because it gives us real world experiences. As much as we can try and do it with our class and do it ourselves, it's not the same as having actual teachers who do it every day. They know what works, they know what might not work, and obviously it's all about taking things from them, what we can do, and our practice as well when we're out teaching.
I was a little bit nervous, but it is really nice to have that connection with the university even after I've left, and it's really nice to just help the future teachers or the future sports coaches as well.
Doing it has been so much fun, I've loved it, and it's been fantastic to be back here at what I'd consider my home.